Withdrawing money from Trading212, a popular online trading platform, is a straightforward process. Here's a step-by-step guide. Log into your Trading212 account. Visit the Trading212 website or open the mobile app and log in with your credentials. Access the withdrawal section. Once logged in, go to your account dashboard. Look for a withdraw funds or withdraw money option. Click on it to start the withdrawal process. Select the withdrawal method. Choose your preferred withdrawal method. Trading212 typically offers options like bank transfer or credit or debit card withdrawal. Ensure the method you select is the one you used for deposits, as this is often a requirement due to anti-money laundering regulations. Enter the withdrawal amount. Specify the amount of money you want to withdraw. Ensure you have sufficient available funds in your Trading212 account. Provide necessary information. Depending on your chosen withdrawal method, you may need to provide additional information such as your bank account details or card information. Review and confirm. Carefully review the withdrawal details, including the amount and destination account. Double check that all information is accurate. Confirm withdrawal. Once you are sure of the details, confirm the withdrawal. You may need to enter a security code or password for confirmation. Wait for processing. Trading212 will process your withdrawal request. The time it takes can vary depending on your location and the withdrawal method chosen. Check transaction status. You can monitor the withdrawal status within your Trading212 account. They will usually provide a transaction ID that you can use for tracking purposes. Secure your account. After withdrawing, make sure to keep your Trading212 account secure. Consider changing passwords and enabling two-factor authentication for added protection.